They're getting 12.5 million and 13.8 million views. 15 million. You get the point, they're wildly viral and insane, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, here's a quick preview.
5 things you need to be happy. Number 1, forget the past. Number 2, live in the present. Number 3, don't worry about the future.
I'm going to share with you on how I dove into the world of AI-driven magic, created my very own talking photo avatar, and even uncovered a way to turn this creative endeavor into a money-making opportunity, and how you can too. Now let's continue on our adventure. Step number 1. Unleash the power of ChatGPT. Step 1 on our adventure is diving into ChatGPT. I asked my trusted AI companion for a list of habits of successful people, and it delivered gold. But that's just the beginning. You can ask something that is related to your niche. Step number 2. Creating our avatar. For this, we need to venture into the enchanting world of AI art. Go to Leonardo AI, a free AI tool that will generate spectacular AI art. Sign up and click on, "Yes, I'm whitelisted." Then click on AI image generation. Then type this prompt. Don't worry, the prompt is in the description below. The only thing you need to change are these words, nothing else. Then select Add Negative Prompt and copy and paste these negative prompts. Again, all the prompts are in the description. Make sure Dream Shaper V7 is selected and number of images is 4. Then click on Generate. Now watch in awe as this AI works its magic. A mosaic of creativity has been birthed from the prompts. Choose the most captivating one and upscale it. This is important, as you will see why later on. And then download it. Our avatar is waiting to come alive. Step number 3. Our AI voice. Now, we need a voice that would give life to our avatar's words. For this, we can use 11 Labs, a free AI tool that will transform our ChatGPT text into a captivating, realistic voiceover. Copy and paste your text from ChatGPT and into here. Then choose your voice that best suits your avatar. Once you've created the words into speech, all you need to do is download it. Step number 4. Breathing life into the image. With our AI voice and avatar in hand, we need to embark on our penultimate step. The next free AI tool we need is Hagen.com. Sign up and you'll receive 2 free credits. Don't worry, they refresh every 24 hours. When you're here, click on Upload Talking Photo. Once it's uploaded, click on Edit Avatar, and here, click on Original, and then click on Save as New. Here you can see it's duplicated the avatar, then click on Portrait, then click on Audio Script, upload your AI voice from 11 Labs. Then click on Submit, and click on Submit again. Here, you can see that the video is getting generated. We will have to wait until it's ready, as it can take a few minutes. Now that it's ready, all you have to do is click on Download to download it. Before the final step, we need to remove the slight watermark that is in the video. Go to media.io, select Watermark Remover, and upload your video. Click on the hand icon to move the image, and zoom in. Select the brush size. Click on the hand icon to switch to the brush tool. Carefully go over the watermark, and then click on Remove Objects Now. Sign in or create an account and download the video to remove the watermark. Step number 5. Creating captions. Now for our final step is to get captions, and what we're going to do now is open Capcut. If you don't have Capcut already downloaded onto your computer, you can get it for free. Go to Google, type in Capcut Desktop. Make sure it's the official website. The link is in the description. Download and install it. Once installed, click on New Project and then Import, so you can import your video. Drag it to the timeline, and adjust the scaling if you need to. Then click on Text, then Auto Captions, and here it will automatically generate the captions for you. Adjust the text and size of the font accordingly. And click on Stroke and Shadow to make your font stand out. Once you are happy with everything, all you have to do is then click on Export. And here it is, the final creation, a talking photo avatar that's both mesmerizing and captivating. This is why we scaled up the original image, to ensure every pixel radiates clarity and perfection.
3. They embrace a continuous learning mindset. 4. They build and nurture valuable relationships. 5. They take responsibility and learn from mistakes. 6. They practice self-care and maintain well-being. 7. They give back, make a positive impact.
But our journey doesn't stop at creation. It extends to opportunity. Head over to Fiverr. It's where this magic turns into money. People are eager for these avatars, and you, my friend, are ahead of the game. See these sellers? They're making real money creating talking avatars. Take this seller for example. He charges a minimum of £17 per avatar, and has received 18 positive feedback, and we all know that not everyone leaves feedback. But let's do the calculations on the positive feedback he has received. So 18 times 17 equals to 306, so he has roughly made £306 from just around 5 minutes of work and from using free AI tools. How awesome is that? All you have to do is sign up and start selling your services. I hope this video has ignited a spark in you to unleash your creativity and make some money on the way. Please give this video a like and comment. It will help me create more content for you. Until next time, stay awesome.